Welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. My name is Coach Erin. I'm an exercise physiologist and breathing coach. Welcome to this 10-minute guided breathing meditation to help you quiet down in a noisy world. Thank you for being here and carving out time for a wellness and mindfulness practice that will help your body balance, get back to an equilibrium, homeostasis, more calm, grounded, settled energy, more focus, more clarity, more peace of mind. Breath work is such a powerful tool to decrease stress and anxiety from the inside out. So thank yourself for showing up. As you find that comfortable place to practice today, whether you're sitting or lying down, just settle in, make sure you won't be disturbed, and then close your eyes, starting to breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. Nasal breathing has so many benefits for the mind and body. It'll start to slow down the air coming in and out of your body, decreasing the volume. Over breathing tends to get us more stressed and anxious. So as we start to breathe through the nose, you naturally slow down your breathing pace and lengthening out the inhale and exhale as you feel ready. Not trying to force your breath or control it too much right now. Just start to naturally lengthen out the breath. Observe it kindly, curiously. Connect with the in breath and connect with the out breath. Each breath is an opportunity to receive on the inhale and release on the exhale. So what is something you might need more of in your life? As you breathe in, imagine yourself taking that in, whether it's peace, patience, more love, more joy, more health, more well-being, more laughter, more fun, more support. Imagine something that you sense you need more of, and on your in-breath, start to take that in. And on your out-breath, start to notice if there's any energy that you'd like to release. Maybe it's fear. Maybe it's pain. Maybe it's resentment. Maybe it's jealousy, anger. Is there anything you'd like to let go of? Kindly and curiously, not stuffing down, not ignoring, but releasing. Each breath, imagine yourself taking in what you need. And each exhale, imagine yourself releasing what no longer serves you. Continue breathing in and out of your nose, not forcefully, but gently, lovingly. And start to feel the joy you might sense with each breath as it nourishes the body. The breath is life. Without breath, we don't have life. This is such a beautiful gift. Each inhale, each exhale, and start to feel that. Breathing in and breathing out. Maybe bring a smile to your face. Notice what that does on an energy level in the body, how things kind of lighten up. Smiling releases oxytocin in our body, and so that can make you feel good. Soften the muscles in your face. Go back to that gentle breath in and out. And notice where the mind is now. Notice if it starts to wander. That's okay. Just notice what you're thinking about. In mindfulness, we call that strengthening the observer. That's your ability to think about what you've been thinking about. So as you breathe in and out, start to see if you can connect with what the thoughts are going on kind of in the background. Maybe you can think about what you were thinking about earlier in the day, or even in this moment, you're catching the thoughts, taking them captive for a moment, looking at them, becoming aware and connected. Many of our thoughts are automatic. We've thought them so many times that they become automatic. And it can be really helpful to sometimes take a thought audit. Our thoughts are fueling our emotions, and our emotions fuel our behaviors. So starting to get connected with what you're thinking about on a regular basis Sometimes we need to challenge that. Sometimes we need to bring that up out of us, shed some light on it, shine the light on it, and perhaps choose more powerful thoughts, more uplifting thoughts, more encouraging thoughts, more optimistic thoughts. You have a choice on what you want to think about. You can think on purpose. You can also notice how you think on a regular basis and challenge those thoughts from time to time, noticing how they affect your emotions and your behaviors. Without judgment or criticism, we do this really kindly and curiously, and we do this regularly so that it becomes a habit of checking in physically with the breath and mentally with our thoughts. As we start to close the practice, I want to move you through a guided meditation with the breath. We're going to be breathing in for 4 seconds and out for 8 seconds. This helps to downregulate the nervous system a little bit, tapping us in more to that parasympathetic nervous system state. When you breathe in through the nose, try to feel if you can expand the rib cage out laterally. You kind of get a little stretch in the belly, the low back, and the pelvic floor. And then when you exhale, you can exhale out of the mouth if you like now. When you exhale out of the mouth, imagine you're kind of bringing everything in towards the midsection. It's a gentle drawing in. So breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale out of the mouth, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, here's an option for you. If you don't like exhaling out of the mouth, then just exhale out of the nose. Also, if you can't exhale for a full 8 seconds, that's certainly something I want you to come back to my channel and work on. We want to be able to have a longer exhalation, but if you can only exhale for a few seconds, that's okay. Exhale as long as you can and then gently try to retain the breath, hold the breath until I count the next inhale, until I cue the next inhale. So let's practice again. Fully exhale your breath and we'll begin. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, feel that stretch in the midsection of your body, and then exhale nice and gently. Go as long as you can and then hold if you need to for a moment or two. Breathe in through the nose, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 more breaths. Breathe in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more. I want you to find your own pace now. Just making the exhale a little longer than your inhale. And let's do 1 more breath. Then release the control of your breath. Bring that smile back to your face. You have chose to take time out to slow down your physiology, connect with your body and your mind. This is a mindfulness practice that you can come back to every day. Over the repeated practice you do with these over time, you're going to start to see that it's going to be easier for you to access this peaceful state in challenging times. Like I say, when you practice yoga and you're at the end of the class in the Shavasana, the whole reason we do these types of practice is that we're practicing being more peaceful. And that way, when life is stressful and things get hard, we can access that peace easier because we've practiced it in a safe place many times before. So that's what I hope for you with this mindfulness breath work, this guided meditation. I hope you found lots of joy in this, and I just want to thank you for showing up for yourself and for being here. Like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, and breathe well.